Hello everyone and welcome to this briefing video on our SQL SDK tools. Our software development kit provides a list of available objects that you can integrate and call from your scripts. You can download it from our SQL Wiki website by searching the SDK keyword. After you have downloaded and extracted the file, please make sure to unblock the file in its property in order to view the object list later. Before opening the SDK to view the object list, you must first install our SQL Accounting Software. Create a sample database. Log in and minimize it. After that, you can open the SDK and traverse to the application object to view our main object. Our main objects are the business objects and report objects. For the business object, it is a collection of business entities. A business object serves as a gateway to access business entities within the application. All business objects share the same methods and properties for consistent access. Example of business entity included invoice, customer, agent, and stock item. To access to the list of business objects, navigate to the example section, click on the embedded link labeled in here and click Yes. And you will able to see a list of business objects and their corresponding dataset, and the fields in the dataset. Next, for the report object, it is a collection of report entities. A report object acts as a gateway to access reports within the application. All report objects share the same methods and properties for consistent access. Examples of report entities included the sales invoice report, customer statement report, agent listing report, and etc. To view the report object list, click on the embedded link labeled in here at the example section. The report object list includes the report object entities and their available dataset name, and the available parameters that can be called. Here are some code examples demonstrating the use of these objects in the remaining dependencies. You can click on the embedded link in the show code to review those code. For an example, if you want to add new agents into the SQL from your application, the target business object is the agent. And this is how you might write in your application. So, let me have a fast demo. Once you submit it from your end applications, you will see that the data will be recorded into the SQL software. Other examples will show you how to edit the agents, delete the agents. Due to the time constraint, the furthermore examples you may reveal yourself. Thank you for watching this video.